Welcome to our woodcraft and creative design channel, where craftsmanship meets purpose and every project inspires you to turn simple materials into income-ready creations. In this video, we explore a refined collection of woodworking projects designed to help you move beyond basic builds and step into more valuable, market-ready furniture. Each project is carefully selected to combine functionality, modern design, and practical construction techniques that you can follow step by step. Foldable wall desk. The foldable wall desk is a highly functional project designed to maximize space while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. It begins with selecting durable wood that can support weight without becoming too heavy for the folding mechanism. The design centers around a flat surface attached to the wall using strong hinges that allow smooth movement. Precision cutting is essential, especially for the hinge alignment and support panels. The assembly process starts with building the main tabletop, followed by installing the hinge system securely onto the wall-mounted frame. Proper alignment ensures the desk remains stable when opened and folds neatly when not in use. Sanding smooths all surfaces, while finishing enhances durability and visual appeal. This project introduces you to practical engineering concepts in woodworking. From a business perspective, space-saving furniture is increasingly popular, making this desk a high-demand product that can be priced higher due to its smart functionality and modern design. TV stand with storage. The wooden TV stand with storage compartments is a centerpiece furniture project that combines strength, functionality, and visual appeal. It begins with selecting high-quality wood that can support the weight of electronics while maintaining long-term durability. The design includes multiple compartments and open shelves that provide organized storage. Accurate cutting is critical to ensure all panels align perfectly during assembly. The construction process starts with building the base frame, followed by attaching vertical supports and horizontal shelves. Strong joints are essential to maintain stability and prevent shifting over time. Sanding ensures smooth surfaces, and finishing highlights the natural grain while protecting the wood. This project allows you to practice structural balance and precision. From a business perspective, TV stands are always in demand, and adding storage significantly increases their value, making them ideal for customers looking for both functionality and style in one piece. Corner shelf unit. The wooden corner shelf unit is a smart design that transforms a used space into a functional and decorative feature. It begins with selecting sturdy wood that can support weight while maintaining a clean appearance. The defining feature of this project is the angled cuts required to fit perfectly into a corner. Precision is essential at every stage to ensure proper alignment. The assembly process involves stacking and securing each shelf level carefully, maintaining balance and symmetry throughout the structure. Strong joints are important to ensure durability and long-term stability. Sanding smooths the edges and prepares the surface for finishing, which enhances the overall look and protects the wood. This project helps develop accuracy and attention to detail. From a business perspective, corner furniture is less common but highly useful, giving you a unique product that stands out in the market and attracts customers looking for space-efficient solutions. Dining chair. The wooden dining chair is a more advanced project that focuses on both structural strength and user comfort. It begins with selecting high-quality hardwood that can withstand daily use and provide long-lasting durability. The design includes carefully measured components such as legs, a seat, and a backrest that must fit together perfectly. Precision cutting is critical to ensure proper angles and alignment. The assembly process involves joining multiple parts securely, often requiring reinforced joints for added strength. Stability is a key factor, as the chair must support weight safely. Sanding is essential to create a smooth and comfortable surface, while finishing protects the wood and enhances its appearance. This project helps you build confidence in more detailed woodworking techniques. From a business perspective, dining chairs are always in demand and can be sold individually or as part of a set, increasing your overall income potential. Console table. The wooden console table is a slim and elegant furniture piece designed to enhance entryways and living spaces. It begins with selecting visually appealing wood that has a smooth grain and strong structure. The design focuses on a narrow tabletop supported by stable legs, creating a clean and modern look. Precision cutting ensures all components fit together seamlessly. The assembly process starts with constructing the tabletop, followed by attaching the legs securely while maintaining balance. Stability is important, as the table must remain firm despite its narrow design. Sanding prepares the surface for finishing, which adds protection and enhances the natural beauty of the wood. This project introduces the importance of proportion and design balance. From a business perspective, console tables are popular decorative items that can be positioned as premium products, allowing you to charge higher prices based on their aesthetic value and craftsmanship. Underbed storage drawers. The underbed storage drawer unit is a practical project that focuses on maximizing hidden space in a functional way. It begins with selecting lightweight but durable wood that allows easy movement while maintaining strength. The design includes rectangular drawer units fitted with wheels for smooth sliding. Accurate cutting ensures all panels align perfectly during assembly. The building process starts with constructing the drawer frames, followed by attaching the base and installing wheels securely. Proper alignment is important to ensure smooth operation. Sanding removes rough edges and prepares the surface for finishing, which protects the wood and improves appearance. This project emphasizes precision and functionality. From a business perspective, storage solutions are always in demand, especially those that solve space problems. This makes underbed drawers a valuable product that customers are willing to purchase for convenience and organization. Geometric bookshelf. The geometric wooden bookshelf is a visually striking project that combines functionality with artistic design. It begins with selecting high-quality wood that can be shaped into various forms while maintaining strength. The design features multiple sections arranged in a geometric pattern, requiring precise cutting for each piece. Accuracy is essential to ensure all components fit together correctly. The assembly process involves carefully aligning and securing each section to create a balanced structure. Strong joints are necessary to maintain stability. Sanding smooths the surfaces and edges, while finishing enhances the design and protects the wood. This project challenges your creativity and attention to detail. From a business perspective, unique furniture pieces like geometric shelves attract customers who value originality, allowing you to position your work as premium and charge higher prices compared to standard designs. Bar stool. The wooden bar stool is a compact yet highly practical furniture piece designed for both comfort and durability. It begins with selecting strong wood that can support weight while maintaining a balanced structure. The design includes a seat, legs, and support bars that provide stability. Precision cutting ensures all parts align correctly during assembly. The building process starts with constructing the base, followed by attaching the seat securely. Reinforcement is important to ensure the stool remains stable over time. Sanding smooths all surfaces, creating a comfortable finish, while protective coating enhances durability. This project focuses on structural balance and strength. From a business perspective, bar stools are in consistent demand, especially in modern kitchens and cafes. They are often purchased in sets, which increases the total value of each sale and provides an opportunity for higher income. Foldable dining table. The foldable dining table is a space-saving project that combines functionality with smart design. It begins with selecting durable wood that can handle repeated movement without weakening. The design includes a wall-mounted surface supported by hinges that allow it to fold when not in use. Precision cutting is critical, especially for the hinge placement and support structure. The assembly process starts with constructing the tabletop, followed by securely attaching the folding mechanism to the wall. Proper alignment ensures smooth operation and stability when extended. Sanding prepares the surface, and finishing enhances durability and appearance. This project introduces advanced functionality in woodworking. From a business perspective, foldable furniture is highly attractive in modern living spaces, allowing you to offer a product that solves space limitations while also commanding a higher price due to its innovative design. Kids Study Table. The wooden kids' study table is a practical project designed to create a comfortable and organized workspace for children. It begins with selecting safe and durable wood that can withstand regular use. The design includes a flat working surface along with storage sections for books and supplies. Precision cutting ensures all components fit together properly during assembly. The building process starts with constructing the main frame, followed by adding shelves or compartments. Stability is essential to ensure safety during use. Sanding smooths all edges to prevent injury, while finishing protects the wood and enhances its appearance. This project emphasizes both functionality and safety. From a business perspective, children's furniture is always in demand, as parents look for practical and well-designed solutions. This makes the kids' study table a reliable product that can generate consistent income. These woodworking projects demonstrate how thoughtful design and careful execution can transform simple materials into high-value furniture. Each piece you build strengthens your skills while also expanding your ability to create products that meet real customer needs. By focusing on precision, durability, and clean finishing, you develop a level of craftsmanship that sets your work apart. As you continue working through these projects, you will begin to understand how functionality and design influence pricing and demand. This allows you to move from basic production into creating items that can be sold at higher value. Over time, consistency in quality and design will help you build trust with customers and grow your income steadily. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.